What is your advice to our younger generation nga nabuntis og sayo? My advice to the youngest generation who get pregnant early, that's a good job. Laban lang. Thank you. Ay, number 1. Jawa ata. Ano mo naghan mga abnormal. So what is your, do you like easy or difficult question?
As a graduate of Holy Name University, a high standard and a well-competitive, I am a consistent honor from elementary up to high school, but suddenly, me and my family went to Boracay and I have an Alzheimer's disease. So I choose easy.
Do you have ID?
Yes, I have ID.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ate! Punta ha? Pamiling niya! Kaya iluhubod niya! Imo lang ate ha? Ate! Ay kuya, laki ka? Laki deh ka? Bago na ako kayo dumahan. Sige, your question. Do you want English, Tagalog, Chinese, or alien? Ha?
Alien.
Alien. Then, now, Teo. Tiat, dali, alien out. Okay. Your question is,
Alien question.
I am your translator. Okay ka rin ko.
your question is, your question is, what can you say to all the people of Tubigon?
Koklak, tutong lagi ka. Tingnan mo.
She said that the water at the nature spring. It's all cool. Ikaw mo ka mainit?
And delicate skin.
Delicate skin. RM commercial. So again, what can you say to all the people of Tubigon?
Ibon nag-OT.